Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome to the channel. You know the drill. Please do like and subscribe and leave any comments below. And let's get on with it. So I want to, I'm not a financial advisor, I forgot to mention. I'm just giving you my thoughts on what looks good in the charts and my technical analysis. So I wanted to give this video on Data Streamr because things are still looking good. They were looking good before and even better right now. Part of the reason for this update is an apology because I was using in my last video the Binance USDT chart on TradingView, and I came recently to know that not all the information is there, obviously, because data started in 2017, and I was able to locate the full chart in coinpaprika.com, which is really good, and it's actually changed my perspective, changed my targets. Still in the same way, still bullish. It's just a bit more exciting now, so I'll try and share that with you. And let's take a look. So we were looking before, we're still trading or understanding this bullish continuation pattern on TradingView right now. This is what we were looking at, the Binance chart, and we've got our 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3. We were waiting for the final 3. This may be it, still may not be it, but I'm quite positive that it is, and we should start to move up. Our targets here were $2.13, which was the projection tool target of this bullish continuation pattern. Let's just double check for the guys that are new in the channel or first time watching one of the videos. We understand roughly that this is the target at $2.13 or 1, thereabouts. We can see that we have a very bullish OBV, which is the on-balance volume, which is a great indicator. Kind of shows you how tightened up the coin is. It's like a spring, and how much, when it's about to go. So we can see bullish divergence on the OBV. It's very clear. So we can see it's been going up and up and up, and we have a very nice bullish divergence on OBV. Okay, looking at the big picture here, now we have to look at the even bigger picture, which is more exciting. So I'm going here now to the coinpaprika chart, and we can see from 2017, which I hadn't seen before, and now that I can, it's quite exciting. Just change this slightly, just 1 second. Okay, yeah, okay, all good. So this is the same pattern we just saw on the Binance USDT chart. Okay, again we're looking at 3 years or so worth of data here, shrunk down. So we can see the bullish continuation pattern we're trading. Now we're still speculating on this to be high low number 3. Keep in mind it can unfortunately go all the way down to like 0.175 or whatever and still be bullish. We hope it doesn't do that because it really doesn't look good, and I'm pretty convinced that this has scope to be high low number 3. Why? Because if we look at this from a Fibonacci perspective, we can understand that this pivot is in the bullish range between 61.80 and the 38.20, just below the 50 it was. So I'm still very positive that this can be the last low before we take off, and some big aggression in the last 24 hours or so. It's really looking great. So why is it exciting? Because we have our we have from this bullish continuation pattern, which let's say is more short term, but it's not really short term because it's from April 2021 till now. So we're talking about 6 months or more, or so 9 months of data here. 9 months, not the coin, the 9 months of information here. So really like tightening bullish continuation pattern, and we can expect, it's quite solid because we're not looking at 1 hour, 4 hour, 12 hour charting. We're looking at the daily and the weekly and understanding that this is a really good bullish pattern. So we know our targets from here is around the $2 range. And now we have to think about this because let me just say, so we know the time, we just put a marker there for $2 odd, okay? Keep that in mind. Now the thing is this, I have to remove these. So you understood how we did things there. Now let's understand how we do things here. Right, so we have now we look at the full chart, which we weren't looking at in previous videos. We have our high, and we have our low. And, right, number 2 and number 2. We have number 3, number 3. And we even have a number 4, right? So we understand on the 3-year picture, we have a bullish continuation pattern as well. It's really crazy. So if data does make the move we're expecting, which I'm quite sure about, the move based on this bit of information here, the last 9 months, we expect it to break out from here towards $2. Now, if it breaks out from here, it means we have validation, technical validation, for the big bullish continuation pattern that has just broken out, because this smaller one has given us information that's going up. It breaks out, validation for the whole thing, and that's where things really do get interesting, because the targets of this pattern are immense. So if it does make it past 38 cents, let's say, if it makes it past 38 cents, we have technical confirmation that there is a chance for the next level, or for it to reach $28. And yeah, a lot of people are going to say I'm crazy, and yeah, I agree, but crypto's crazy, and we've seen what other coins have done. Just take LRC for example, and that's another 2017 token, just like data. You've seen what it's done. Anything is possible, don't rule it out. Yeah. So we have a great setup right now. Whether it's going to, when it's going to go is the question. I'm hoping it's soon. I mean, we've been waiting long enough, but it's really looking great, man. It's really looking great. Yeah, I think, everyone can see it in the charts. I'm showing you, everything makes technical sense. It's just the targets. $27 data token would mean, from where we are now, we're talking about a 18,900% increase, which is really immense. So it's worth, even if you've got a small bag of it, you can do pretty well. It's worth the hold. We also have to think, what is data token itself? I haven't really talked about projects, and I don't know much about the project. I've just watched some of the videos. Data Streamr have an official channel on YouTube where they had some Ask Me Anything videos, and you get to meet the team, understand how they are. So I see them as a European-based crypto project. Then the idea, sorry my voice, the idea behind the project is basically we're always giving data ourselves to to other people, and it's to monetize it, a bit like how in a way, if you follow BAT, a basic attention token, does with the Brave browser, it rewards you for watching the ads and stuff, because data or whatever. But this is more about from everyday devices from your computer, from I think they've done a partnership with a scooter company that hires electronic scooters, whereas the data that it's being generated about where they're going, how they're going and everything, all the locations or whatever, you get rewarded for that. So if you think about the future, a lot of people talk about Google, for example. In the future, Google will pay you. That's the idea, sort of thing. You'll be monetized for your information. So I don't know. Maybe something could happen here with a big partnership, or maybe it's just pure price manipulation, speculation, where people try to make money to make it to $28 to date. I can't really give you the answers here. All I can say is it makes sense to me that $28 can happen. Technically, yes. How it gets there, I have no idea. How long it takes, I have no idea. When do we move? I have no idea. But we are close, I think, to making the first move. And what will that first move be? Let's go back to the looking at market makers, I think, have realized that a lot of people now are trading patterns, and pattern trading has become a lot more popular, and they're making it a lot harder. So I'm seeing a lot of coins. Let me just pick this thing here, brush. A lot of coins. So this is the bullish continuation pattern. They go, they make their breaker. They come up here, they come back down, retest. They come up here, come back down, retest. Come up here, and then take off. So keep that in mind, because this move itself here, I guess, is like 200, 100, 200%. Let's say there's 150% move up. Very possible. Very easy for data as well because it's a low market cap. And then it comes down, let's say 50%. So a lot of people will be like, oh no, this is it, it's over. I should have sold 150%. It's not selling it. We're buying at these prices, and we stick to our guns. We can be pretty confident that if we hold on to things, we can eventually. We've got no need to worry, because even if it does come down to 19 cents, we bought it, 13, 12, 15 cents. It's okay. Also keep in mind that I'm expecting. I have a feeling, this is just a gut feeling, pure speculation. I've got a feeling that this weekend we're going to have a good weekend for data and Streamr, and also in the broader crypto market, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and whatnot. We're going to have some small moves up, but I've got an inkling that probably maybe the first week of December, maybe on Monday even, Bitcoin comes back down to 53k, 54k region. Now, if it does that, so my hope, or the way I'm speculating things right now, maybe data does go for the big move this weekend. Okay, we go up or whatever. Big move, 150%. Bitcoin falls, and that drop there that I was talking about could be the Bitcoin drop, and then I believe Bitcoin's going to keep going from there, because then it will be sort of a breakout if it's following wedge on Bitcoin. So that's my perspective, just speculation of what could happen the next few days, or maybe until the first week of December. And then I think December is going to be bullish in general. So if this just work out this way, let's say we get 150% move today, tomorrow, whatever, or this week or next week, and then Bitcoin retraces, data comes down, and then we get the big one, it will be superb. Because believe me, if it does make this move and breaks out of its all-time high, 37.5 and change, and comes back down, I will be adding to my bags at these ranges big time, because I will be speculating based on Bitcoin as well, that December is going to be a big run, and that could be what takes us to $2, $28 and whatnot. Bit of a long video, but a lot to cover. I hope you get my perspective. I'm not trying to big up this coin or anything. I really don't know much about it, but I'm looking at the chart. This is what I see. And if you can see it as well, do your own charting, follow the principles, basic principles of Elliott waves and whatnot, and the pattern structures. I think you'll be good, and it could be exciting, and it's really worth even a small investment, because the 18,000% would be a great return. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Take care.